In BTT 101, we learned how to make a Glogster, which is an animated glog. In it, you can insert pictures, moving objects, text, videos, and hotspots, which bring you to other locations. I did my Glogster on tips for appropriate ethical computer use, which is how to use a computer appropriately. Some tips for ethical computer use are to always use the computer appropriately, never read other people's emails or private things, give credit to where you got your information from, never download music or shows illegally, and never plagiarize.
Another thing we also learned with BTT 101 is how to make your own website. And for mine, I did mine on Rudy Gay. And basically, what we use to make the websites are Dreamweaver and Fireworks. And in Fireworks, that's where we made our buttons. So like the home button, growing up button, the MBA and survey. And we also learned how to make rollover images. So you would basically just take two pictures, and in Dreamweaver you would make it a rollover. And Dreamweaver allowed you to insert pictures and videos. And you could also put other website addresses. So like that link led you to the Raptors, their actual website. And then you could insert the talking images, so like Vokies, and basically it's just like an animated person who will talk on your website. And so then Dreamweaver allowed you to go onto your different buttons, so how when I click growing up, it took me to growing up, and then the NBA. And here's another rollover image. And then the survey. So we learned also how to like put in boxes so people can put their email or comments they have or what they want to choose.
In BTT 101, we also had to design our own restaurant and advertising for it. So we used Microsoft Word to create things like an advertisement that you can post somewhere, a flyer that advertises your restaurant and specials that are on that week or that day. We also use Microsoft Word to create a logo for our restaurant, so we have to come up with a name and a catchphrase for it. Also the menu, which includes things like desserts, beverages, kids menu, appetizers, and entrees. And we also have to include our logo. And we also use Microsoft Word to create a placemat. So it has games for kids and advertises different foods at that restaurant. And then we also used Microsoft Publisher to create a coupon for our restaurant. And you can insert images and change the text and add text boxes and font colors. And yeah.